Hey guys! So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be decanting all of my spices. We're finally getting shelves in our cabinets. It's been way too long. I just finished priming and painting them last week, so they're slowly starting to make their way into the cabinet. I had to touch up a few, so we only need to worry about this bottom shelf right here. So I already started with one of them alphabetically. This is allspice. And I got these containers from Amazon. There was 36 in them, and they came with a funnel and stickers. They have black ones and they have transparent ones somewhere in here. Either way, so they come with the black ones and they come with the transparent ones. Oh, here they are. So you have options. I tried the transparent ones, but because the glass is clear, you can't really see it. So I'm going to be using the black ones. They also come with a couple blanks, so you can add your own spices, and it even came with a white pen, I believe. Yep, a white marker. So I'm gonna start decanting whatever spice I have. I don't think I have 36, but we're gonna see what we work with. Alexa, pause. Alright, I'm pretty much done for the most part. I know there's a lot more spices that I need to fill. So now I'm just gonna alphabetize them. Let's see how good my alphabetizing is. So this is how it looks right now. I really like the organization. I might want to get another one in the middle there and then just put half stuff there and half stuff there and leave the middle where the column is empty. I need to figure out why this one is like slightly slanted, so they're like running back this way, but hopefully they don't fall out. But yeah, it looks so organized. I'm gonna see how I operate with it, because I just realized that the other, not flavors, the spices in the back, I can't see the names of them. So that might be a little issue. If this shelving thing doesn't work, I may just get like a long one that runs across, so that I can see them better. But so far it looks so much better, so much more organized. You can see the chaos of seasoning and spices, but I'm just glad that we got something done today. So I ended up going to Marshall's, and I returned one of the racks. One was over here, and I bought these two thinking they were the same thing, but they actually weren't. So I had to return the first one I purchased and the other one I got from Amazon, so returning that one. And now I have 3 of the same ones, and I actually switched it up. Now it's alphabetical order all the way across, and then yeah, it goes that way, and it looks so nice. And then up there is where all the excess of spices and things, so I can just fill in as I go. I feel so proud of myself. I accomplished something today. I didn't think I was gonna get this far. And it looks so good. I still have to figure out how it's gonna work as far as getting the spices in the back. But at this point, I'm just gonna have to sing my alphabets every time I need to get the seasoning, and we'll go from there. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me decant my spices. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!